Protect your precious files from local disasters by automatically backing up your Synology NAS to Dropbox with this straightforward guide. First, we need to install the necessary backup tool on your Synology NAS log into your Synology Disk Station Manager, or DSM. On your web browser, navigate to the Package Center, which you can find in your main menu. In the Package Center, use the search bar at the top and type Hyper Backup, select Hyper Backup from the results, and click the Install button. This application is your all-in-one solution for creating and managing backups. Once Hyper Backup is installed, open it on the main Hyper Backup screen. You'll see options to create a new backup task. Click on Create Backup Task. For backing up your NAS files, choose Data Backup Task and click Next. Now, we select our backup destination, scroll down the list of supported cloud storage providers, and choose Dropbox. Click Next. You'll be prompted to connect to your Dropbox account. Click Connect Now, and follow the on-screen instructions to log into your Dropbox account and authorize Hyper Backup. Next, you'll configure the backup content, select the shared folders on your Synology NAS that you want to backup. You can also choose to backup application data. If you have specific Synology applications you wish to protect, click Next. Here, set up your backup schedule. You can choose to backup daily, weekly, or at other intervals. You can also enable encrypted transmission for added security. Click Next. Review your backup settings. If everything looks correct, click Done. To start the initial backup, your Synology NAS will now begin transferring your selected data to Dropbox, creating a crucial offsite copy of your important files.